Cytopathology Fellowship is a 12-month subspecialty in cytopathology.
Cytology is the study of biology of cells, cyto. Take for a very simple example, malignant cells, cancer cells looks different from a benign cell or a healthy cell. We were able to tell by microscope whether the cells are malignant or is healthy.
We process around 90,000 pap smears in our laboratory. We see approximately 5,000 non-gynecologic specimens, which includes pleural fluids, abdominal fluids, pericardial fluids, bronchoalveolar lavages, and then we see around 3,000 fine needle aspirates a year from all over the body.
The work day for a cytofellow in Beaumont starts by reviewing cases after the case is being screened by a cytotechnologist, where he will look at the case, make up his own opinion, and then he will, after this review, sit with the senior staff and they will discuss these findings.
They work side by side with me, whether it's at the scope, whether it's reviewing sentinel lymph nodes together, cutting them, screening them, seeing patients in a clinic.
The cytofellow also assists in rapid on-site evaluation along with cytotechnologists and the cyto staff. We have 1 day a week of FNA clinic where they actually assist and perform fine needle aspiration on real patients.
Fellows come to Beaumont because our resources are vast. We're able to support the fellows' training with our resources and ensure that when they complete our fellowship, not only will they complete their boards, but they will be ready for independent practice.
For the last even more than 10 years, our fellows have passed their cytopathology boards. We had no failures whatsoever. When the fellows graduate, they go in a community practice, large group practice, where cytopathology is part of what they do. Few fellows have went to academic places where they focus a lot more on research.
Research is always encouraged here and highly valued. As a fellow, we actually are required to do a project. We have molecular labs, we have cytogenetics labs, we also have the immunohistochemistry labs. Again, the staff and the lab assistants in every lab, they are very friendly and always willing to help.
The culture at Beaumont supports the development of the fellows. There's a close working relationship between the fellows and the faculty, and this creates the environment for the fellows to reach their full potential.
We look for fellows who are dedicated to the field of cytopathology, who have great work ethics and interest in this field, because this is a 12-month that provides you with all the knowledge you need to be a cytopathologist.
I think it's very important that we have very friendly and knowledgeable staff here who is always willing to teach and always has an open door policy here.
I think it's very important to teach the fellows and residents how to make a patient feel comfortable, safe, and secure, meaning we hold their hands as we do the procedure, we look them in the eye as we're talking to them, realizing that it's not just the material that we are acquiring, but there's a patient behind everything that we do.